Hi guys, so today is my birthday and I just woke up. So last night I had a blast. I celebrated my birthday with all my friends because my sister and my friend gave me a surprise birthday party and I enjoyed a lot. So I'm gonna share few clips from yesterday's party so that you can see how much I enjoyed. And right now I'm just chilling by the window and yeah, enjoying this view. And for today I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with my family and I'm really excited because it's gonna be a long day and I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
Happy birthday to you!
So right now I'm doing nothing. I'm just going to take shower and I'm thinking कुछ अच्छा पहनते हैं just to feel that today is my birthday. So let me show you what should I wear. So I'm thinking what to wear. I think yeah, I'll go with this red one. I picked this one from Sarojini. ये बहुत ही पुरानी ड्रेस है. So I'm thinking to wear this one. Yeah, I'll wear this one. Everybody is outside doing the decorations, but they are not letting me do anything. So I requested them to at least let me go out and get the cake. So right now I'm going out and I'll get the cake. So I just got back home, decoration is done and I got the cake. Now I have to get ready. Everybody is calling me out, so I have to rush. And also I'm really confused which one I should pick. Somebody is knocking the door, so yeah, let me just show you. It is this black bodycon dress and the second option I have is this tube top and this leather skirt. I'm really confused which one to pick, but I think I'll go with this one. Yeah, I think I'll go with this one. So let me just change. So I'm all dressed up as you can see, and yeah, I have added like this choker. I have done side partition and added a clip, and I just really love my look. And everybody's knocking the door, so I'm gonna go out and yeah, I'm gonna show you everything. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So I also got few gifts on my birthday, so I'm gonna show you. So the first gift that I got is this OnePlus Nord CE phone. I really wanted a phone because मेरा पुराना वाला phone खराब हो गया था. So I wanted a phone, and this one is gifted by my brother, and I'm really happy I got a new phone, and I can click pictures and a lot of good stuff from this phone. So the next gift that I got are these cookies. This one is gifted from my friend Arshad. So this is the thing that he never gets any gift for any of his friends, but this time he got a gift. So thank you Arshad for taking this, and I'm surely gonna eat these. And I also got this gift. I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it and see what is inside it. Okay, so this one is gifted from my friend Vidika. So she has this store named Wings Lifestyle. So she gifted me from her store. So she gifted me two scrunchies. One is pink and one is yellow. And yeah, she also gifted me these two earrings and this cute little bucket hat. And this is like really nice color. I really like it. I'm gonna wear it a lot. Earlier I never used to wear bucket hat, but these days I'm really liking it. So thank you Vidika for gifting me this. And yeah, that's it for this video. So I want to thank everybody who came to my birthday and make my birthday so special. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.